Hello, in this video we have to do exercise 9, page 79. Calculate and simplify if it is possible. Let's do part C. We have parentheses and multiplication, so we have to use pandas, and we know that parentheses is stronger than multiplication. Between parentheses, we have to subtract two fractions, but these two fractions have the same denominator, so we can subtract them directly. We subtract the numerator, 6 minus 2, 4, and we keep the denominator, it is 5. And we have times 3/7. Now, how we multiply two fractions? We have to check if we can simplify first. 4 and 5, we cannot simplify. 3 and 7, we cannot simplify. 4 and 7, we cannot. 3 and 5 also we cannot. So what we have to do, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. 4 times 3 equals 12. 5 times 7 equals 35. The next one, also we have parentheses and multiplication. So we have to start by the parentheses. We have to subtract these two fractions. They don't have the same denominator, but pay attention. We have to see if we can simplify. If we simplify this fraction by 2, we get a denominator 4, so we get the same denominator. Pay attention, we can simplify this fraction by 4, but if we simplify by 4, we get in the denominator 2, so we don't get the same denominator. So we should divide by 2 only to get the same denominator. So we simplify by 2. We simplify the numerator and the denominator by the same number, which is 2. So we get 4 divided by 2, 2. 8 divided by 2, 4, minus 1/4, and these two fractions are between parentheses. And we have out times 4/3. We write the other like they are, but we change this fraction only. Now we have to subtract these two fractions. We don't finish the parentheses. We have to get the answer of the parentheses. Now they have the same denominator, so we subtract the numerators and we keep the denominator. 2 minus 1, 1, and over 4 times 4/3. How we multiply two fractions? We should see if we can simplify first. 1 and 4 we cannot. 4 and 3 we cannot. 1 and 3 we cannot. Here we have 4 and 4, so we simplify by 4. What it left in the numerator? In the numerator it left 1, and in the denominator it left 3, so we get 1/3. Now the next one, we have to do the parentheses first because it is stronger than multiplication. These two fractions have the same denominator, so we can add them directly. We add the numerators. 5 plus 9 equals 14, and we keep the denominator, which is 14, times 7/24. But pay attention. 14 over 14 is equal to what? It is equal to 1. So now 1 times 7/24. When the numerator and the denominator are equal, so the fraction is equal to 1. and 1 times anything, keep it the same. So 1 times 7 over 24 is equal to 7 over 24. And we have to check if we can simplify this fraction. We have 7 and 24. They have no common divisors, so we cannot simplify. Now the last one. We should start by the parentheses. And between parentheses, we have to add these two fractions. So they have the same denominator. So we add them directly. 7 plus 3, 10. And we keep the denominator, which is 15 times 2 fifths. Now, how we multiply two fractions, we have to check if we can simplify first. 10 and 15, can we simplify 10 and 15? Yes, we can simplify by 5 because 10 is equal to 5 times 2 and 15 is equal to 5 times 3. So we simplify by 5. Now can we simplify 2 and 5? No. 2 and 5 also no. 2 and 3 no, so we cannot simplify. Pay attention, we cannot simplify 2 and 2 here because they are both in the numerator. We can simplify only from numerator and denominator. They should be opposite. So what left in the numerator? It left 2 times 2. And in the denominator, it left from the first one 3 and the second one 5. So 2 times 2 equals 4 and the 3 times 5 equals 15. Thank you.